Hey guys, it's Isabel Bedoya here. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know who I am, I just said it, it's Isabel Bedoya. And today's video is gonna be so freaking different because I'm announcing my first official makeup collab. This box has been so much fun to do because there's a lot of brands in here that y'all may already with, or brands that y'all may wanna try out that you never got the chance to. So I just put everything in one box and I'm just giving y'all the love of my life because yo, this is like such a big deal because wait till y'all see the box, okay? It's a very collectible box that I hope you guys keep and place it in your beauty room if you don't have a beauty room in your room. No tea, no shade. I think this is by far one of the coolest boxes that I've ever seen anyone create, and not because it has me in it, but because it just looks awesome. Wait till y'all see it. Shout out to Cosmetics for letting me create this box with them. They literally let me design the whole thing, and when I say the whole thing, I literally mean top, bottom, under, inside, sides, everything. I'm nervous to show ya. All right, 3, 2. My baby. It's literally me everywhere. And then when y'all open it, it's like just the whole thing, And I love this because it's not cheap material. Like they went all out. So thank you so freaking much, Cosmetics. This freaking collab has been amazing. So I'm just gonna show y'all what comes in this box. First of all, this box retails for 290 pounds, which let's convert that right now. Okay, so this box is worth $362.73, but we are giving y'all everything that's in this box for $137. And I'm gonna create a quick look with it. One of the products is a makeup remover. That's why I have some makeup on. I'm just gonna remove it here with y'all. And there's like a cute little book that comes in it too. I give you guys a really, really cute message in here and an introduction to all the products in here. So we're just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna just show you guys and I'm just gonna create the look. So first things first, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter in Vegas. You guys know this highlighter is freaking insane. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on my skin. This is one of my favorite products for my face that helps me maintain this skin that you guys love. This is the Murad Prebiotic MultiCleanser. So basically what I do is I apply this before I use a makeup wipe. So I just apply that, boom, 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 and it helps break down the makeup quicker. It's a gel to oil, so it's really good for any type of skin. I just love the cleanser because it just removes any type of makeup from light to heavy to waterproof, all that. We got my favorite lashes. I don't have lashes right now, I have extensions, but I'm gonna show you guys how this looks on top as well. We have the Lilly lashes Mykonos. These lashes are one of my favorite, top favorite from Lilly lashes and lashes in general. I'm giving y'all my favorite palette, which is the Dominique Cosmetics Latte 2 palette. This is such a cute everyday, or just if you want to pop a color makeup look eyeshadow palette. I mean, it's right here and I love how Kristen made it look like there's actual coffee stains. I just love the whole concept of it, and I just love the palette itself. It has 3 dope ass shimmers and it has your neutrals, your light tones, and then you got your color. So that's why I wanted to include that in here so y'all have like a little bit of something to play with. I had to do it. Y'all know I had to give you my favorite primer. My face would not be as flawless as it is after makeup if it wasn't for the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Okay, baby, this primer is everything. If y'all have not tried it, get this box, just see what the hype is about, because if y'all go online and look it up, the hype is real. Another product that I've had in my life for a very, very long time and I had to include it in here is the Farsali Rose Gold Drops. Okay, if you know Farsali since they launched, I was one of their first, if not the first, influencer that they ever worked with, and we have worked ever since. And honestly, their products have always just been in my life and I love them, and it wouldn't feel right if they were not in this box. Then we have finally one of my favorite brushes to apply foundation, and it's like, this is that box when like you just want to get fancy, you just want to be extra, and you just want to get yourself something to splurge on. This is definitely the box because I'm giving y'all a very bougie brush to apply your foundation, and it's the Todd Sonicblend Pro. Y'all know, if you watch my videos, I love this brush so much because it just gets the job done. It's the piercing, it doesn't let me talk. It just gets the job done for you, and it has, I think, like 3 or 4 different settings. It's so freaking fire. So if you guys ever wanted to try it, this is your time to just get everything in one. Everything in one. So I'm giving y'all skincare, primer. This is great for, I mean, I don't have acne, but I have friends that have had acne, and I gave them this Farsali oil, and they swear literally to it that it helps them, you know, clear out their acne. You know, I'm giving y'all a little bit of like skincare, primer, highlighter, eyeshadow, you know, a bougie ass brush to apply your makeup with. The Sonicblend, you guys don't have to necessarily use it for the foundation. I also use it with dry products, or if you want to apply your primer with it. It's literally like whatever you guys want to use it with. So I'm gonna remove my makeup that I have already. That was a mission. So you could apply this with, what the f? We're gonna apply this on my dry face, so you could use either dry or wet face. And you could also just wet your face after this. Like, you don't have to necessarily use a makeup wipe. So I wet this with a wet towel, and I love that it doesn't feel heavy. Like, I just love how it takes it off. And I'm not taking out my brows because they were already done. Not in the box. Okay, so a lot of people get confused which product they should use first, either the primer or this. I personally, and you can do it the other way around, I personally like to apply the cream first, just because this is what I want my pores to be filled with. That sounds disgusting, but that's what it is. And I only apply this on the area that I need it, so it's literally right here where you guys see your pores the most when you apply foundation, and like whatever's left right here, but this is where I'm mostly focused. And then after, I use the drops. And make sure you guys just, it is 24 karat gold drops in there, baby. It's 24 carats in there. Not on the brow. Did it go? And it has like a little bit of like a citrusy or like tangerine smell. I'm pissed as because I know that's about to wipe my brow. Mad close to my brow. And my skin looks good. Okay. I'm just gonna be showing y'all how I do like my daytime look, which is not heavy at all. And it doesn't really consist of foundation. It just consists of like tinted moisturizers, a liquid to powder thing, you know? So it's not as heavy as foundation. So it's more like skin light. And I just love applying this in the daytime because I have good skin, you know. I just need like that like coverage, that like extra coverage. So I'm just grab the brush and grab whatever's left. How was your 4th of July? I didn't do anything. I didn't celebrate. I stayed home. I had tonsillitis. I could barely talk, but now I'm back. It's better now. It got to a point where I could almost not eat. I was like, I need my mom. But yeah, I didn't do anything. I stayed in. I switched up my hair. So this is my real hair. This is not a wig. Yeah, I haven't drank or smoked because I'm freaking scared. Well, not gonna lie, I did smoke my puff a little bit today. I don't learn. I'm like those people that don't learn and I just do shit. That's actually what happened to me in Colombia. If you guys followed me on Instagram, a lot of you ask me all the time, like, how did that happen? How did your infection happen? So I went to Colombia and I got surgery, and I actually have the whole thing vlogged. I just haven't edited it. I went to Colombia and I got that surgery. I got a mini tummy tuck. I got a breast lift. I basically had 2 drains, like the drains that they put in you to drain you out. They make you like wear pads. It's a fucking hole, you know? And whatever, the only thing that's covering it is the pad. So some way, somehow, some infection got in there. And girl, I started like going through it. Pus was like, it started off like yellow. It got like yellow white. It was disgusting. My stomach was like this from the infection, like poking out like that. So they had to move me right away, literally right away, to an emergency surgery. Okay, so I was awake the whole time and the tube was right next to me. So I'm literally laying down like this with the curtain there, and I'm looking at the pus like being drained out. Oh my God, while I was awake. And then yeah, so then after that I kind of learned my lesson. It was a lot. Like, the story is intense. That's why I never really talked about it, but I guess I'm talking about it now because I mean, I have time. I'm not gonna be talking just about makeup because that's kind of boring. But yeah, so that's what happened. And then that's when I came here, back to USA, and the infection came back. I drank alcohol. And when you drink alcohol, the antibiotics don't work. And yeah, it just came back and it was really bad. I went to go see a doctor. This was like all while the corona stuff was like freshly happening. I went to go see a doctor. He gave me more medication. I got on it. I had to take off the thing. I was like hurting my head. I set my makeup already and I'm about to add some blush and all that good stuff, but let's get back to the story, because one of the things that I forgot to mention was how my body was after like the infection was gone. And this is like such a weird part to even talk about. My belly button was closing up. That sounds freaking weird. My belly button was closing up. Like, the doctor was like, okay, you just have to put like a little bit of a cotton ball, like, so you grab like a cotton and like you know, make it into a little circle, and you're supposed to put it in your belly button so it doesn't close. It was just becoming smaller and smaller, and I loved how my belly button looked when I just had surgery. But then when they did the surgical cleanse, they opened me up through another hole. So they closed up the infected hole, they closed that up, opened up another hole right on top of that one, and they opened me up through my belly button. So once they did that, they had to put stitches again in my belly button. I guess that's when it started to just like close up. It's cool now, but you can see that it's like gone through it. It is what it is, but it was a struggle. Like, I lasted almost 2 months putting something in my belly button so it wouldn't close up, because I would wear the fajas. Y'all know how like you have to wear the surgical fajas. I don't know how to say it in Spanish. And see what I mean? The fajas, I don't know how to say it in English, but since they like compose your body so tightly, it was just like every time I would take it off, it would just close up. That company, Cali Curves, it's like this Colombian faja brand. They would send me fajas, and they also sent like belly button plugs. So like I didn't know that was a thing. Okay, so this is the palette that comes inside my box. We're gonna use let's use this shade right here. So yeah, I was wearing like the belly button plug, and when I wouldn't wear it, it was just, I don't know, dude. It was just a freaking hassle to even have my belly button where it's at right now. So it started actually healing when I stopped wearing the belly button plug, but it's finally healed. Like, it's not closing anymore, thank God. Google told me, they were like, I might have done too much like physical work to the point where it detached. So I could have sworn to my life that it was detached. I love this shade right here. This is called Blonde Rose. And it's just such a pretty, like, mustardy yellow. This shade under the eye just looks so freaking pretty. And I don't know if I should wear lashes, since, I mean, I do have lashes already. And I don't want to mess them up because I just got them today. So let me just show you guys the lashes that come in my box. They're fire. I wore them 2 days ago because I just got my refill yesterday. But I wore them 2 days ago. Ugh, they're freaking everything. Like, I am so happy that Lilly let me include these babies in the box. They're super fluffy. They're super full. Super 3D. They're actually 3D mink. Okay, let's move on to highlighter. I'm gonna put this gold shade in Drizzle. I'm gonna just add that like on top of the lid, like, you know, a little cute touch to it. I think this is gonna be like a cute touch to the look. This color is so freaking creamy. Woo! Period. Now let's move on to highlighter. We are using the Anastasia Beverly Hills loose highlighter in Vegas. This is perfect for this day event that I'm going to, because we are going to be glistening. Clearly she's very, very pigmented. And the good thing is you could just blend it out with your finger if you put too much. Like, it's so pigmented that it literally covers my tattoo. Like, that's insane. And one of the things I love to do is setting my face, and then while it's still like a little damp, you just put more highlighter if you're really trying to go for that dewy ass look. The good thing is this is a loose highlighter, so it's very blendable. Like if y'all like don't like how rough it looks, like you could just, you know. So I went ahead and I changed my lip because it was a little bit too dark for me, but I think I like this one way better. But yeah, that's it. Like, you know, I told y'all this is not really a makeup tutorial, but I wanted to show you guys how I use the products that I have in my box, and I wanted to introduce y'all to my baby. Where's she at? She's so beautiful. Like, she's so cute from head to toe, everything. It's just all around extra. This is exactly what I wanted for my box, because y'all already know I'm extra, so why would I take out a simple ass box? I would never. You gotta be extra like me, so I made sure I made it as extra as possible. When they were like, oh yeah, you can put whatever you want on like the back, the front, and I was like, what? Y'all are saying whatever, like anything. Obviously I made it all Isabel Bedoya. Like, shout out to all the companies that made this box possible. Let's start off with Cosmic Tips. Thank you guys for even believing in me. Thank you to Farsali, Murad, Lilly Lashes, Dominique Cosmetics, Anastasia, Beverly Hills, Tatcha, freaking, I can't even believe it, Todd. Like, I already took out a collab with Todd, and the fact that they even contribute to the second collab, like, honestly, thank you guys so much. Thank y'all for always supporting me. Without y'all, I wouldn't be shit, and I say that all the time because it's facts. Y'all know I keep it 100. Without you guys, I wouldn't be in this position. This wouldn't be possible. I wouldn't be this extra ass bitch. No, I would still be that extra ass bitch, but you guys hype me up, so I'm just like more extra, you know. So thank you guys so much. I hope y'all enjoyed the box. Remember, it's available July 10th at 1 p.m. Pacific time. It's worth this much, and we are giving it for this much. So if you guys have ever wanted to try any of the products that I mentioned or used, they're all gonna be in this box right here. So if you guys want to get it, make sure to set your calendars. And thank you guys so much for all the love and support. I freaking love you guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next one. I also listed the winners for the giveaway that I posted in my YouTube page, where I picked 3 different winners to recreate my looks. The winners are posted in the description box, so make sure you guys go check that out. Maybe you won, maybe you didn't, who knows. Let's go. Thank you guys for all the support, and I will see y'all in the next one.